everybody, this is Dane's crop report today.
So why were we lucky that the crop was above average? What happened this summer?
We got hail and corn was dry.
Yeah, it was really dry, so we're pretty lucky, aren't we?
Yeah.
So what are we combining right now?
Corn.
How's the corn doing?
A little bit above average too.
Yep.
What's the moisture?
Moisture is about 16 or 18%. So.
Okay.
So what are we doing with the cows right now?
We're bringing them home.
Where are they at, or where have they been all summer?
Pasture.
So why do we bring them home?
Because by the time it's winter, all the grass will be gone.
So we bring them home and we feed them. Do you know what we feed them?
Silage and corn and hay bales.
We do. So when we combine all the corn and we put it in the grain bins, what do we do with it after that?
We feed it to the cows or we make it into gas.
We do.
Had I 5?
No. How much longer will harvest last, Dane?
2 to 3 weeks.
So when we harvest, what does Grandpa do?
He drives a combine.
He drives the combine. What does Uncle Shane do?
He drives the trucks mostly.
And then we have a friend Tim. What does he do?
He rides in the grain cart.
What do Mom and Grandma do?
Make lunch.
They make lunch. That's the most important part, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you do during harvest?
Sometimes I ride with you packing down the silage.
And in the semi?
Yeah.
Yep. We haul corn back to the farm from the field, don't we?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So is there anything else you want to tell anybody?
Ben's high five.
All right. Tell everybody goodbye.
Goodbye. Not me down.